if you write these algorithms and you use like languages like Python or C++ or something, you call it machine learning. If you talk about this in PowerPoint, you call it AI. So in this sense, I mean, machine learning and AI these days, they have exactly the same meaning, but machine learning is a technical term and AI is a way to raise more money, bring more hype, things like this.
Right.
I may use this word interchangeably, but personally, I prefer more technical and more accurate like machine learning because that's what it's actually doing. Yeah, and your question was, does this development in machine learning algorithms help us to extract more advanced and more nuanced and more valuable insight from the data? This is definitely the case. First of all, for all this time, we were getting these insights from the data. As I gave in this example, you get a picture of some document or book, and it gives you text back. So it was good, yeah. And it's getting better, better, better. Like we improve quality of this. For example, early in the days, you give text and it returned to you text. Right now, there are some scientific works and even open source models that do the same with mathematical equations. You see, it's a bit like a next step because more complex. And we are working with blurry images, an image that missing half information. It's getting more and more advanced. Yes, again, face recognition. If you think about this algorithm, again, described a few years back, it was like one mistake out of 10,000. Right now, these modern algorithms, they incorrectly may identify your face, including people that are very similar to you, one out of whatever, like 10 or maybe 100 million. So
Wow.
the accuracy is pretty insane. Again, if you think about military applications, I don't know, don't have insights to it, but I suspect that it's also advancing there because a lot of ways to improve accuracy and decrease cost of the weaponry. So yeah, algorithms are becoming better, better, and better. Pace is accelerating. I remember I was coming to this like main artificial intelligence, use artificial intelligence here, conference called New Rips, and it has 3,000 people. And then in 3 years, it had 14,000 people, not just people attending it. It's people who are publishing papers there, from universities, creating state-of-the-art models. And next year, I didn't even go because I didn't like, I mean, 50,000 or something. It's just a bit too much. Pace of this is accelerating, and it's accelerating in terms of how good our computer vision and other algorithms are on one side, and also how much they are used to solve actual problems, to bring value to actual people.